Hey YouTube, well this is my 1998 Nissan Pathfinder. It's been sitting for quite a long time. As you can see, no front fender. This thing hasn't been started in like 2-3 months probably now. It's pretty beat up on the other fender too. Rear fender pretty much shot. Tailgate pretty much dead. So yeah, I'm just going to try to start it up now, see what happens. No battery in there, just have it hooked up. Let's see what happens. That's good. Nothing. Well, something. Little prime for a good time, like Dave always says. There we go. Let's listen to that baby roar. See if I can get anything out of this. See if she'll move. Alright, let's see. Throw in a 4-wheel drive here. Oh man, she's old. Oh, she moves. We'll need a lot of work to her. I'm going to replace that front fender. Fix up that front bumper, hopefully. Fix up that front fender. Fix that big dent right there. And fix that. Inside, it's a disaster. Got a couple spare tires, rocks, mud flaps, back seat, tires that were on it before, not bad. Let's see if I can get her back now. Steering pump is pretty much shot. And there's my old stereo system for all those people who watch my other videos. Currently has nothing going right now. Speakers are all shot. Can't hear nothing. Volume's all the way up. It's dead.